माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम।
Hello friends, hello defense aspirants. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your ends. So today we are going to discuss about how to improve our communication skills, our listening skills, our learning skills, and our speaking skills. Means how to improve our English. So many candidates are facing problems in English. They clear NDA, but when they go to SSB, they are not able to speak English very well, and due to this point, got they got screened out, or they are not able to clear their SSB. So today, I am going to tell you some tips and tricks through which you can learn your English very well. So the first point on which we are focusing is our reading. So if you are not able to read English very well, then you will not be able to speak English very well. So for reading, reading, you do one thing. You take out a book. You take a book, start reading from the first page, and whenever you face any problem in any sentence, any word, just see, just put just underline that word. If you can see, just underline that word like this, like this, and then do one thing. When you complete your reading, then collect those words and write it in a small notebook, and they make this notebook for dictionary, and then search these words from your Google and other sources, and then try to learn those words. Try to learn at least 10 words a day, and then you will be having a lot of words in your vocabulary, and try to speak those words, and try to inculcate those words in your daily life, in your daily speaking, and try to speak in English with your friends, and whenever you are free, try to speak English with yourself. This will be very helpful to increase your confidence, and and, and writing English is also a very big point. Now we are focusing upon writing English. When you speak English, then probably you can write English very well. If you read English, you can write English very well. So for writing, you do one thing. You take out a diary. Try to try to maintain this diary every day. Like as I have mentioned, I maintain diary every day. As you can see also, I maintain diary every day, and this is my complete diary which I maintain at the time of sleeping, before the time of sleeping. So try to maintain your diary. This will be helpful in increasing your vocabulary and your narration skills. Means this will decrease your mm, mistakes which you usually do while writing any question, any answer, or anything. And and the third point is whenever anybody calls you, then try to talk with him or her in English. Like any personality, like from Byju's, Vedantu, they call you, so try to talk to them in English only, because they are well trained. They will speak you, they will talk to you in English only. Then you have to talk to them in English only. This will be a very helpful. This will increase your confidence that yes, you can talk to anybody in English. And शुरुआत हमेशा छोटे से करो, कभी भी एकदम से बड़े पे मत जाओ। इनकी आप शुरुआत करो छोटे छोटे, अपने डेली लाइफ में आपने क्या किया उसको लिखो पेज पे, उसके बाद आप बड़े पे जाओ। ऐसे मत करो कि शुरू शुरू में आपको इंग्लिश आ जाएगी। मैंने भी शुरू में इंग्लिश नहीं सीखी थी, धीरे धीरे करके मेरे को भी आई है। आई हैव ऑल्सो डन सम मिस्टेक्स इन स्पीकिंग एंड राइटिंग इंग्लिश. So you will also face problems, but those problems will a make you a perfect man, and will improve your personality, and you will be you will be looking like, yes, now I have confidence, and I can speak English very well in front of anybody. And try, whenever you get any chance to speak, then grab that opportunity and try to speak in front of in front of gathering. Means a lot of people, a bunch of people, try to speak in front of them. Then your confidence will increase, and you will that speaking will boost your confidence, and you will be able to speak English in front of anybody. And then if anybody gives you exemplary, then try to speak. And if you means if you have any ideas in your mind, try to write them in a notebook with English. This will be very helpful to you. Point is, read newspapers. If you get any chance to read newspapers, start from Hindi newspapers, then after 1 week, then go for English newspapers, and try to read the front page, uh, the complete front page of the newspaper. And then you will realize, yes, now I am able to read, and I am able to speak, I am able to learn English, and I am getting something new from these things. All about your the tips and tricks through which you can improve your English speaking skills. So try to inculcate these tips in your life, and then you will then you will feel, yes, now my confidence is boosted, and now I am able to speak in front of anybody. So this was all about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you very soon in the next video.